The semiconductor industry is one of the most important industries in the world, and Taiwan has become a major player in this industry. The growth of the semiconductor industry in Taiwan has been driven by government policies, funding, talent, and skills. This has enabled Taiwan to compete with other countries, such as the United States, for market share. Taiwan's semiconductor industry is focused on advanced nodes, wafer fabrication, testing, assembling, and cost optimization. These efforts have allowed Taiwan to remain competitive in an increasingly competitive global market. As a result of these efforts, Taiwan has become a major supplier of semiconductors to many countries around the world. The USA is also investing heavily in the semiconductor industry to maintain its competitive edge. However, Taiwan's investment in this sector is expected to outpace that of the USA due to its lower cost structure and access to skilled labor. This could lead to increased competition between these two countries for market share in the global semiconductor market. Taiwan is investing heavily in semiconductor research and development, as well as continuously expanding its semiconductor infrastructure. This is to ensure that it remains at the forefront of the semiconductor technologies. This includes investments in new chip designs, advanced manufacturing processes, and more efficient production methods. The future of semiconductors in Taiwan looks bright, and the impact of Taiwan's semiconductor industry on the global economy will continue to be significant. It is clear that Taiwan will continue to play an important role in driving economic growth and innovation for years to come.